Hi, I'm Sarah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you how to make a Skittles Frappuccino. The ingredients you will need is 1 scoop of ice cream, vanilla extract, 10 raspberries, 2 pumps of strawberry syrup, 3 strawberries, raspberry drops, whipped cream for garnish, 1 cup of milk, and 1 cup of ice. So I like to use the wet ingredients first. So I like to use is first I'll put in the vanilla ice cream, 1 cup of milk, that'll be the second. Third, 2 pumps of the strawberry syrup. Fourth, 3 strawberries. Fifth, 1 drop of the soda stream raspberry drop. 6 is the last thing is ice and raspberries. So will be the 7th. I'll be right back after I blend it. I'll recommend to use the smoothie setting. If you don't have the smoothie setting, you can use the pulse setting. I'll be right back after I blend. Then you will have this thick and nice Skittles Frappuccino. And then I'll put it in my Starburst cup. Perfect. And then for the best part, whipped cream. You need to put whipped cream around the cup. And then look at that. Oh my goodness. And then you take your straw and do that. And then you taste it. That's tastes like exactly a Skittles Frappuccino. If you have any questions, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Follow my Instagram at Sarah Sweet Brews. I hope everyone has a good day and stay positive. Bye!